Hi everyone. What's up guys? How are you doing? It's India here and welcome back to my channel. I just thought it would be a great idea to kind of do a mini get ready with me / get to know me because this is a new channel, so I want everyone that's coming to my channel to get to know me. So we're just going to pull up some random questions and I am going to give you guys some fun facts about myself. So, oh yikes. Let's get started. So, I'm just going to start off by taking some clips and clipping my hair back, because that's what you need to do when you're getting ready to do your makeup. Next, what I'm going to do is take a little bit of SPF. Even though it's later in the day, you still want your skin to be protected. And I'm just gonna dab a little bit of that on my face. This is already too much for my skin. Work with it, guys, work with it. Gonna get covered up anyways. I was not in the best mood these past couple of days. You know, you never have those times where you're just like, I'm not feeling the day. I kind of want to hibernate a little bit and stay away from society. Well, I had that. Next, what we're going to do is take our Sue Revitalizing Rosewater Mist. I'm sure you guys have seen this a couple of times because I freaking love it. And we're just going to spray that on our face. Get our face nice and hydrated and moisturized so we can get it ready for the makeup. First question, what is your favorite color? Before we do that, I'm going to take the Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade Spicy Brown. My current favorite color is red. However, when I was younger, my favorite color was yellow throughout kindergarten and a lot of elementary, but now it's just red. And second question, how tall are you? I am 5'4". Okay, maybe 5'3". 5'3.5". 5'4" counts because we have to round it up, right? Cats or dogs? I actually prefer, I don't know. I'm like wishy-washy with it a little bit. So sometimes I like cats and then sometimes I really like dogs. So I really just don't know. For now, we're going to go with cats. Funniest moment throughout school. Okay, so I have quite a bit of funny moments throughout school just because I'm extremely clumsy and I just have a habit of embarrassing myself. So, but I think the funniest thing that just comes right on the top of my head is there was this one time I was going to my next class and then this guy who's really good at singing passed me walking through the stairs. I already knew this guy, I already knew he sung, but like he was not shy about it at all. So one time he walked past me and there were so many people switching classes to their next period, and he passes me and hits this beautiful note and like hit this run, and I thought it was so nice. So I'm like telling him like, wow, that was really good, and then in the midst of that, I'm wearing Uggs at the time, going down the stairs to my classroom. I freaking slide and I fall all the way down the steps, and then the same guy I was trying to compliment just starts cackling. He just starts dying laughing at me. And then as soon as I get to my next class, the first thing someone said to me was, "Oh, didn't you just fall down the stairs?" Oh my gosh. That was so funny. So next, what we're going to take is our Infallible Total Cover Foundation. Wrong shade. We're going to take the shade 312 actually because I want to go in and contour my face a little bit. How many countries have you visited? I have not visited any other countries. I do desire to go to other countries and kind of explore. Like, who doesn't want to travel? But I'm not at a place right now to where I'm ready to do anything like that. So when I am ready, I definitely will travel more and I definitely will try and go and see other countries. But for right now, I haven't seen anything besides the US of. Are you in or have you gone to college? I am not in college. I did start school right after I graduated, I started school. Didn't really work out for me, so I needed to take a little bit of a break and kind of figure myself out, figure out what it is that I wanted to do. And then later on in life, I figured out what I wanted to do, and I went ahead and got my esthetician. I became a licensed esthetician basically. So, and I'm very happy with that decision. I think I can do a lot with it. It goes along with the things that I have planned for myself in life. We're going to go back in with some Milani 2-in-1 foundation. What is your favorite perfume? Currently, I like the Victoria's Secret Bombshell perfume. Bombshell perfume has been out for a few years now, and I still like the fragrance of it. I love the smell, so it is still one of my favorites right now. I'm just going to be going in with the Jaclyn Hill palette. Tea or coffee? I don't drink tea or coffee enough to choose one. Like if you want a caramel macchiato, or if you want a frappuccino, or if you want it blended, or if you want it iced, you can have it anyway. So I think, I don't know, I think with coffee you can do more, so I'm going to choose coffee. What sports do you or have you played? I've played soccer momentarily. I've played softball momentarily. I've cheered. I did varsity cheer. I cheered for about 3 or 4 years. And I ran track for 1 year. That was a lot of fun. That was probably my favorite sport just because of the bonding time that we had with everyone. I'm just going to fill in my brows. Today we're going to fill it in with the Maybelline Eye Studio in Black is Black. This is eyeliner, but I like to use it to fill in my brows just because I like them really dark. Who are some of your favorite YouTubers? At the moment, I really like Anna Loves You. Joey Graceffa is really influential. So Shane Dawson. Who else? I like Bretman Rock. Isabella Bedoya. But when I first started like really getting, like I really started watching YouTube, my favorite makeup guru was Megan Jessica Marie. She was really great. Like she inspired me to want to give YouTube a go within the beauty community. What's your ideal first date? My ideal first date would be, I don't know, I don't really like the cliche things. I feel like that's what everybody does and it's absolutely fine, but I like things that are unique. I don't know, something super creative. How many girlfriends or boyfriends have you had? Oh, maybe 3, I think 2. Do you have any siblings? I have 3 sisters and 2 brothers. I'm the second oldest of 6. How would you describe your fashion sense? My fashion sense is pretty, it changes. Like some days I like to dress pretty casually, some days I like to dress girly, some days I like to have that chic look. Some days I like to look sporty. So it changes based on how I'm feeling or what the day calls for, or also what I'm going to be getting into for the day. It also depends on that. What is your favorite restaurant? My favorite restaurant at the moment, there's an Irish pub downtown. I cannot remember the name of it, but I just cannot forget I can't forget the taste of the food. It was amazing. I haven't been back there. I've only been there about twice, but it leaves a great taste in my mouth. Tell us one of your habits. I off the top of my head, I can think of a couple. So I have a habit of like talking, like, and I'll like drag it out just a smidge to where like it sounds like I'm not sure of what I'm saying. To where it sounds like I'm not sure of what I'm saying. So I'm sure you have noticed it throughout this video, and I feel like I'm doing it now. But yeah, I have a habit. That's how I talk. I'm not dumb. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. This is the look. It's pretty basic. This is just to get ready with me. Kind of an everyday thing as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment, share, and leave a comment down below on what other videos that you would like to see from me. I will leave my Twitter handle and Instagram handle, all of my social medias, down in the description box below, so you can go over there and follow me, keep up with my personal life over on my social media pages. I am always eternally grateful that you take the time to watch this video, and I will see you next time. Bye!